Hey, what's going on? I know it's been a while since you guys heard from me. I'm going to get back into the screen printing. And as you can tell, this shop is a freaking mess. And there's the new screen print equipment and my 64 Bel Air I've been working on. So what I'm getting ready to do, I don't know if you can see it, but there's this orange line from this post to that post on that side. I'm going to wall off this section here. I'm going to turn this to a screen printing shop, so that way I can separate my automotive stuff I do so it doesn't contaminate my screen printing stuff. Right now I'm waiting on the Lowe's truck to deliver some lumber, and as soon as that gets delivered I will start today. Hey, it's the next day. Lowe's never came, so I had to cancel that order. Somehow or another it got deleted into the system, so I had to reorder from Home Depot. It's about 9 in the morning. I got off work at 7 o'clock this morning, and I'm rolling off no sleep right now, but I'm gonna try to get working on the shop some. I got my insulation treated, got me some treated 2x4s, some framing 2x4s. I'm gonna do treated wood on the bottom. I'm gonna ram set the treated wood to the floor. I'm not sure how much that last clip got. My battery died in my GoPro. But anyway, what I was saying is I got some treated wood. I'm gonna do the wood that's actually touching the floor. It's gonna be all treated. I'm gonna use a ram set. It uses little 22 gunpowder rounds to shoot nails in the concrete. So that's how I'm gonna fasten it to the concrete. Got my insulation. I'm going to insulate the walls with this R13, and then I'm going to spray foam insulate the metal part, keeping the heat out during the summer, which is the main reason I'm doing this. But from that post to that post is going to be my wall. I'm going to have one interior door to separate the two pieces of my shop. This is about a 10-foot section right here. And that section is going to be a 10 by 15, and that's going to be my dark room. And I'm going to have 8-foot ceilings on here. But I'm going to get back to work, and as I make progress, if I'll try my best to remember to grab the GoPro. I hadn't made any videos in a while, and I need to get back into the rhythm. If you're liking this, hit the like. I hope I teach you guys how to build your own room, or build your own room in your shop to get back printing. I appreciate you. So yeah, like I said, I was terrible at remembering to record. So this is where I'm at so far. I just got done hanging the rafters. The wall's good and steady. I got this wall insulated, about to start hanging sheetrock. The back wall, I'm gonna sheetrock this side. And I'll probably just leave bare insulation on the other side. This is just gonna be the dark room, so I mean I don't need it looking pretty at all. Yeah, the ceiling, what I'm probably gonna do, keep in mind I'm no construction guy at all. This is probably my first time working with wood at any length of project. What I'll probably do is just nail some insulation onto some plywood, and just nail the plywood up so it'll be insulated from the backside. That's probably all I'm gonna do. But yeah, figure I'd give you guys an update. Sorry for the mess. Hey, what's going on? This is day 3. I stayed up, I don't know, about 10 o'clock last night working on the shop. I got this wall insulated and drywalled. I came out this morning and I started on this wall. I got the back side sheetrocked and drywall and insulated on the other side so far. This would be my dark room. I have my screens right here, my wash booth right there, and my exposure unit somewhere in here. I'm guessing it'd be closer to the back, that way it's away from the water. I just want to give you guys a heads up what I've been up to. This might be all I do after I finish this wall for right now, until I get another week off my main job, because the ceiling and the spray foam is going to probably take me a couple days. I got to rent one of those sheetrock hoists and sheetrock the ceiling, and I'll probably staple insulation onto the sheetrock before I hoist it up. That way I don't have to climb up there and try to insulate it. Excuse me. But yeah, that's all I've been up to right now. Once I get this wall done, I'll let you guys check it out, and then I'll probably post this video up as a part 1. Sorry, I've been out making videos. I've had a lot going on. I'm not going to get into all that, but I'm ready to get this side cleared out. It's a freaking mess. But yeah, if you want to follow along, hit that like and subscribe. I appreciate you watching. Leave a comment. I always reply back. I like to see what the community is up to. And again, I appreciate it. Thanks for checking it out. Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is day 4, I believe, 3, I don't know. But this is the dark room. Sorry for the noise, it's raining outside, so I hope you guys can't hear that. I got the screens coated today. While I was coating the screens, I remembered I needed to record a video. So I'm gonna try to finish up this video for the shop build. This is probably where it's gonna stay for a little while, until I get time to, let me turn these lights back on. Until I get time to hang some more sheetrock on the ceiling and stuff. But for right now, I can actually work in here. Got a few little inks and stuff since I'm starting back. The squeegees and all that good stuff, my spreaders. I got all this equipment from a guy in Georgia from the shop. I don't want to say his shop's name because I don't know if he wants to be said. But I bought the press and the dryer for $3,000 total, which I thought was a heck of a deal. It's the old Riley Hopkins with the knobs. I'm gonna get another one made. A buddy of mine 3D prints, so I'm gonna get him to make me another one. I gotta clean these pallets up a little bit. I got this flash dryer off eBay. I'm gonna try it out, see how it does. If it don't do good, I'll just buy another one. I figure I'd give it a shot first. But these dryer right here, I've never heard of this brand. It's a black body. It's a 110, 2 plugs, one for the conveyor motor and one for the dryer heater. My last one I had was a 220 volt. So now I got a 220 volt sitting here. I got to figure out something to do with it. But hopefully I'll upgrade and get a better one. But it should do for right now. I'm starting off again. But 6 color, 4 t-shirt. I don't have them all bolted down yet. That's why I was kind of sitting there. I'm going to clean this up a little bit before I start using it. Got this exposure unit also off Amazon. I got some trash shells. I got to do something with this stuff. But yeah, as soon as these screens get coated, I'm going to start a t-shirt order for a buddy of mine. He details cars, so I'm going to do some shirts for him to help his business out. I did clean up in here a little bit, but not a whole lot, a little bit. I still got some more sheetrock. I gotta get about 20 more sheets or so for the roof. I got a little bit of insulation left. I probably gotta get another, if I had to guess, probably another 5 to 10 bags. These are the pallets that came with my screen print press. He also threw in this press right here. It has a pretty big pallet on it. I think what I'm gonna do is use that for doing signs. So it don't have to be too it don't have to be too precise. I'm sorry, I got a cold. I don't know if you guys seen my car yet. This is my 64 Bel Air. It's got all original red interior. The windshield's a little dirty from dust. It's got a straight 6, 3 on the tree. I'm buying a Suburban for a buddy of mine so I can LS swap this. The people who painted this was the school I went to. It's called Woolard Technology here in Camden, South Carolina. Teaches kids how to do auto body, paint, cooking, welding, all kind of. It's a trade school, but you go there during high school. I put some clear taillights on it. My buddy Rye over at Rye Beats, he wants this thing, but he can't have it. I'm going to change this out. I hate the way that looks. It's got air ride on it, no hydraulics. I'm probably going to upgrade the wheels to some billets. I ain't really decided yet. I'm not really digging the wires. Don't have hydraulics, so it kind of defeats the purpose of having wires, in my opinion. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video for this mini little build process. I say mini, but it took 4 days. I just did it all by myself. The hardest part was probably these big treated 2x6s I had to hoist up here by myself. It's a little over 9 feet in the air, so that was a process. But I managed to do it. Got some bruised shoulders in the process. For right now, this is my heater, little Harbor Freight propane blower. It works great. I highly recommend it. It's like 60 bucks, I think. I highly recommend it. Heats up this area very well. You see I got my sleeves rolled up right now. Yeah, that's it for right now. I'm gonna start popping more videos out, do some more screen print videos. I know I've been lacking on that, and I apologize. And also, if you ever take these apart in order to bring it in here, my wife's pregnant, so I had to completely tear it apart. And if you ever have to put these bearings back in, this bearing, you got a bearing, then a grease seal, then a small washer, then a big washer. This is just sitting there. For some reason, it had 3 grease seals. Bearing only needs 2, so I'm not sure why there's a 3rd one in there, but it works fine. It don't tighten or nothing, so I guess I did it right. But yeah, appreciate you watching, and have a great day.
Walk the wrong place, man, wear the wrong colors, make the wrong face, man, duck and grab cover, bullets fly straight, man, hit the wrong mother as she struggles down in a puddle, meant for another.